Hey, Josh here. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can add and remove workflow automations from a contact using the LeadConnector app. So first off, just open up LeadConnector on your phone. When you open it, it'll open up into the notifications page. What you want to do is you want to go over to your contacts page, which is the bottom right hand corner. There's a little picture of like a person icon, so just click on that. That's going to take us to our contacts. And then all we need to do is just search in our contacts for the right contact. Once you've selected the right contact, it'll open up their contact details. Just scroll down and you'll find second from the bottom is actions. Just click on that drop down menu for actions. Drop down menu for actions. Let's see. And you will then see active automations and past automations. What you can do is just click on that little edit icon next to active automations. That'll take you into the automations options, and here you'll see all active automations. So if there is no active automations, it'll be blank, but if there is an active automation, you'll see that there. So all you got to do is just press that little X on that active automation that you want to remove. It'll confirm with you that you want to remove it. Just click remove if that is true, that is the contact that you want to remove that automation from. And then it's going to remove successfully, and when you refresh, there will be no automation there. Alright, so that's the easy way how you can just quickly add or remove workflow automations via the LeadConnector app.